Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how to report a lost or stolen simple debit card in 2025. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. First, you're going to need to log into your simple account. So go ahead and log into your simple account using your email address or password. You could choose to log in on the online platform, that's Simple's website, or you could choose to do so on the Simple mobile app. But once you're logged into your account, just go ahead and click on the account button, and then from the drop down menu of the account button, you're going to select card, and then you're going to click on the report lost or stolen button. And next you're going to click the report, confirm the report by clicking report, and this is going to notify Simple's customer support team to assist you with replacing your debit card. And all you got to do is just wait for a replacement card to be issued, and it might take a couple of days, and you can always just track the status of your replacement card through Simple's customer support team or whenever you like. That's pretty much it on how to report a lost or stolen Simple debit card in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next